green dollar app. You can tell the ladies, do you download this green dollar app that you collect the code and redeem the prize? And this description we will promote in this today. And because everyone because we have the quiz, we also have the quiz. And do you know this answer? And yes, how many types of the common recyclable does the community recycle network and receive? Which three who think is free? They can recycle common recycling.
What's the answer?
The answer is on the back.
Yes, the answer is 9.
The back at the back at the back.
Just like it's 9 things. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Oh, and then
This 9 is
where to recycle?
EDP, common recyclable and recyclable type.
And then where to recycle? So these are the areas. Because first they are asking also where they can
The nearest.
use the green app.
They can scan this code, this location.
For the nearest place.
Yes, yes, they can scan.
Oo, may bagong app.
Green is the follow plastic yes, can be recycled. Which?
Pero nagsabi ka. Kasi may option doon.
Oo.
Recycle where
All of them. Saan ka nag-video? Start!
Dami ka na naman dala.
Oo, pagkain natin.
Bakasyon lagi.
Tayo'y
Picture na. Sasayaw ka man. Wow, labas pusod. Right. Ayan, solo muna. Teka lang. O, ilan daw yun?
3, 4, 8, 9. 4?
Hindi, siyam yung pwede ma-recycle natin.
B. Ayan o.
Oo.
Ang init naman. Plastic, paper, metal.
Oo pala.
The next
Di man din niya alam.
Oo. Ako din yung una, di ba alam mo? Next phase
The
lang.
following plastic products can be recycled. Ayun din yung mga pwede recycle.
Ano plastic dito ang pwede na-recycle?
Luggage, rubber, slipper,
This one.
Letter C. Ay, very good. Next
Dahil dyan,
Meron
may chocolate ka.
Ito pwede rin
recycle. Ay, ito pwede recycle.
Oo,
Sa likod ng pacifier.
Ay, yes, kasi plastic.
Oo. Ito lang yung
C or D. And this one. Where to
where to
recycle.
recycle. Recycle store.
Gayo.
Ilang lang yun? Wala man yung dati chichirya.
Or letter D. All of the above.
Nga eh.
Lahat na niya.
All of the above.
Okay, letter D. Galing. Very good.
Yehey!
May price siya. Congratulations.
Tag-isa kayo.
1+1 muna. May isang ka, guys. Baka dito lang.
Pwede naman lang kahit Indonesia. Basta i-try natin i-upload.
Oo.
Si ano? Si ayan no?
Busy siya eh. Nagtitiktok eh. Nagtitiktok.
Try natin yun show.
Tara!
Habibi. Kiss me. Can you stop me?
We are volunteers in Caritas and we have a Indonesian
Sabi mo lang, go green. Recycle. Madali maintindihan.
we have a lot
How many recycle
Wrong.
Which one? Lucky? Rubber slipper? No, it's leverage bottle and silicone fire. Can recycle. Which one here? Choose one. Can recycle. Rubber slipper or this one? Or plain beverage bottle. Which one you choose? Yes, very good. And common size.
Putik sisi, kinakain yung papremyo.
8, 3, 4.
Kunti nga lang binigay, kinakain pa.
Diba marami tayong mga
Wala na? Kunti na lang yan.
ayan, keeper, medals, plastic, keeper.
Ano, kunti lang naman dala nila.
Recyclable.
Kunti lang ang dala nila.
Meron tayong
Kunti na lang yung papapremyo natin.
lamp and tube.
meron na
Tapos
pinaka-silicone.
Ayan.
Tapos
Putik
pang
ka.
jam, yung mga baby Regis cartoon. So, ilan siya? Bilangin mo.
Gagawa mo.
So, ano sagot mo? Letter? Very good. Next. Which of the following plastics products can be recycled? Luggage, rubber slippers, plain beverage bottles. Very good. Letter C. Pero ngayon, yung silicone pacifier, nare-recycle din siya. Next. Where to recycle? Recyclable din siya. B. Nare-recycle siya. C. Nare-recycle din ba siya? Mga recycling. Ah, very good. Sagot niya, letter D.
Ang dahil dyan, nag-chocolate ka.
Oh, tignan nyo na siya ng prize. Tignan mo yung prize. Tuloy mo yung prize.
Tingo.
Masarap kaya siya. Masarap. Nahanap ko nga sa mga kabili niyan.
Dito.
Saan nakakabili niyan, Kay?
Tingin dito.
DS, merong ganyan. Masarap.
Yan, enjoy.
You can, we have also Indonesian workshop. You can join. Yeah, you can join. It's a free.
Hub workshop.
Yeah, it's a
Hub workshop.
no money. No fee. It's free. Thank you.
Tara.
Nag-picture ka na sana daw direkta mo sa ano.
Oo, nagpicture na ako. Papasok ko mamaya. Papasok ko mamaya. Alauna tapos. 10:30 na nag-start eh.
Bakit kabilaan? Burak ka dito. Yan.
Ayan, pakita mo muna yung mga recycle. Pakita mo muna. Iyan, pakita mo
Kaya na,
muna.
dali na kayo na.
Dali na. Ito yung mga, na mga pwede i-recycle. Metal, plastic. Yan, paper, metal, plastic. Tapos, regulated appliances. And then, fluorescent lamp tube. Repairable batteries, and recycles. Ilan to lahat, Bibi? Kung pwede i-recycle.
Pwede i-recycle.
Bilang lahat.
La,
Tanan di ay.
Oh. Pwede lang ito. How many types of common recycle does community recycle network? D. Very good. Which of the following plastic product can be recycled? Luggage, rubber slipper, blended beverage bottle, and silicone. That is ba yun? Yeah, pero napa isa na plastic din, no? Silicone. And this one.
lahat
How
naman
to
yun.
recycle? A, B, C. Pwede, di ba? Recycle din ito lahat eh.
Lahat sila.
So, lahat sila. All of the above. Yeah, all of the above. Wow! Dahil, nasa itong price bill!
Sila kung ko sa una katunay mag-sorry diri nga magkuan.
Oh, dahil ibang
Ay,
group.
lahi po to.
Hindi, may price ka!
Pang-grade 1 lang tayo,
At
B.
wala lang isa
Pang-grade 1.
yan! Thank you, girl.
Masarap siya.
Price niya lang.
Kunti lang yung budget eh.
Kunti lang budget. Nabili. Ayaw pag bitaw kay may pitay mo yata ka. Nagpasa ka na ba?
Kunin mo nga yung tinapay dyan. Kainin natin yung slice. May palaman na ito.
Bibigyan
mo niya ni
John, di ba?